Welcome to Real Estate in the Lowcountry. With me now is Benji Gecy, and he is the broker and owner of Beaufort Lending. And we also have Jonny Sundstrom, who's here for the first time, and he is a senior loan officer with Beaufort Lending. Thank you both for being here.
Thank you,
good
Betsy.
to see you.
Yeah,
good to meet you. So we have a lot to talk about today because conditions are kind of really changing pretty rapidly right about now. And so we're dealing with rising mortgage rates and how, we're going to navigate that and how you really need to shop the rate and have a true broker that's helping you. So you're going to take us through that part right now.
Yeah, actually, Jonny and I will try to do that together. But weird economic conditions happening right now. The last 6 months, we've seen a real transition from the lowest rates in history to rising rates in a completely different environment right now. So lots of competition in the market, looking for purchase money. That's what we've been concentrating on for the last 6 months or so. The purchase market is still really hot right now, and we do encourage our buyers to shop their rate. That's going to save you thousands of dollars on your rate and your closing costs in this market, because every lender has a little different rate. But what we're seeing is the Fed is raising interest rates. We believe that the Fed is going to raise rates again today, and that's going to be the cycle for the next year or so. So that will eventually cool the real estate market off. But as we've seen right now, it's still a hot market. But the side effect of the rising markets and sky high real estate prices is the affordability for the home buyers. And our purchasers right now, our purchasers are having a difficult time finding affordable housing at affordable payments. So 6 months ago, the payments on the same house are about $600 higher right now. So the affordability factor is a real difficult situation right now and a real challenge for all the buyers on the market.
Yeah. And so, Jonny, as a loan officer, how are you helping your clients to kind of pick that best rate or pick that best loan for them?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, as a mortgage broker, we do the shopping for them,
right.
But at the same time, it could be more important to shop your rate. And we've got some pretty flexible programs and are able to do a lot more than most. But again, it couldn't be a more important time to shop. And find that lowest payment.
But have you as the expert that can help them shop, because I wouldn't have any idea what I'm looking at. I need you guys. So the other part we're going to talk about today is how all of this changing in the economic structure is affecting second-time homeowners or investment homeowners. So what are you seeing there?
Well, I mean, it's they're opening up a lot more programs than there ever really have been. Up until recently, you had to be able to afford your mortgage and another mortgage if you wanted to buy a second house. But now they're opening up these programs for qualified borrowers where they qualify you off of the actual property itself and the potential rental value, and that's opening up a whole new bucket of potential opportunities for people that never really had that opportunity before.
Okay, very, very interesting.
Yeah, and as you know, in Hilton Head, coastal South Carolina, we have lots of second home, lots of investment properties, and lots of people moving to the area. So these programs have never been more popular. And the last 3 or 4 years, we've seen a real big move in the investment and second home. And as a true mortgage broker, we have the ultimate flexibility to serve the nation's best lenders to find those ultimate programs for second homes and investment properties. So I would think that the market is dominated right now with lots of investors, and we don't see that we don't see that changing anytime soon, Betsy.
Right. Oh, absolutely not. Especially when you have somebody who wants to have an investment, probably get some rental income out of it, and then maybe eventually move into that house as their primary residence.
Absolutely. We're seeing lots of that activity right now for sure.
Absolutely. So let's go back to a buyer though, who we were talking about affordability, trying to get that house, because there's been a lot of people that have put offers on a house and lost, put offers on a house and lost. So they've had to continually up. How are you helping those people not to panic and to know that there's going to be a program that's right for them?
Well, I'll take that one, Jonny. So great advice right now in today's market is know what your credit score is before you go in, before you apply with a lender. Definitely work with a true mortgage broker. The mortgage broker, as I said, has the most flexibility, and they can get creative and help design the product and rate, which is the best, which turns out to be the best program for your situation. So, and also pick realtors. I mean, certain realtors can offer advantages of knowing where certain properties are, which properties are coming on the market, and they can negotiate a little better for you as well. So, putting together the right team when you're entering the purchase market, whether it's a realtor, mortgage broker, and your attorney, I think that's real important advice in today's market, and that will help you make the best decision possible in your next transaction.
Absolutely. We need all the help we can get in this market.
Absolutely.
And so you guys are two of those people that can help us do it. Thank you for sharing your expertise with us today, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.
All right. Thank you, Betsy. Thank you.